Hello, I'm Vedant Jain. I'm a legal intern with Lexis & Company. In this video, which is part 1 of the video, we will look at the laws related to consumer protection with special regard to social media influencers. In today's digital world, we all use social media platforms to connect with our friends and families. Social media platforms have become a big part of our daily life. Brands and business houses have made a really have made a big component of the marketing tool as digital media marketing. One of the important components of digital media marketing or digital marketing in today's world is marketing through social media influencers. Therefore, it is imperative for consumers like us to know what are the laws relating to social media influencers and how those laws regulate them, and if they breach those laws, how we can file a complaint or how we can approach against them. The Advertising Standard Council of India on 27th May 2021 has released the final guidelines for influencer advertising in digital media, applicable for all posts published by influencers post 14th June 2021. The primary objective of these guidelines is to enable consumers to identify paid promotional contents from other content posted by influencers. This is aimed at preventing businesses owners and influencers from misleading customers through promotional posts or campaigns on digital media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. So, to know how the law regulates them, the first thing and the foremost thing for us to know what is an influencer. Influencers are individuals with a large number of followers on social media platforms. They have a strong social media presence and hold influence over their followers. The new guidelines define influencers as someone having access to an audience with the power to affect the purchasing opinion and decisions of the consumers. The Bombay High Court, in the decided case of Marico Limited versus Abhijit Banchali, recognized social media influencers as a budding category of individuals who have a large follower base and credibility in the social media space. This new guidelines also apply to virtual influencers who are defined as fictional computer generated peoples or avatars with characteristics or personality of human beings and behave like influencers. One of the examples of this virtual influencers can be seen on Instagrams are Imma, Shudu, etc. So, what is an influencer marketing? In the recent time, a significant portion of marketing budget of brands or business houses is allocated to social media advertising. When an influencer endorses or recommends the product of any brand through social media posts, it influences the purchasing behavior or decisions of the followers. In consideration, the influencer is either paid money or supplied with some free product or services. Thus, in a way, the engagement of influencers for marketing is similar to the engagement of celebrities to endorse any product of a brand. However, such influencer marketing is relatively cheaper than traditional endorsements and enables the brands to track the content interactions. So, what are the major concerns with relate to social media influencer marketing? One of the basic aspects of any form of advertising in consumer protection. Consumer protection is held to be the paramount basis of any advertising in today's world. The same can be achieved through promoting transparency so that the consumers or the customers can make well informed purchasing decisions. Using influencer marketing, the consumers are made vulnerable to marketing malpractices while making purchasing decisions. Therefore, with the increasing use of influencer marketing in recent times, the consumer protection authorities and the advertising watchdogs across different jurisdictions have started to closely monitor to ensure that consumers are unable to distinguish between the advertorial and the editorial content posted by those influencers on their social media handles across various social media platforms. So in today's video, we have talked about what is an influencer, what is a social media influencer, and what are the legal challenges or major concerns with influencer marketing. In next video or in tomorrow's video, we will talk about what are the new guidelines that affect this that affect those social media influencers, and what are the legal considerations in India with regard to consumer protection with special regard to social media influencers. Thank you.